Whether your business requires data management for a single CAD system or multiple systems, Teamcenter provides a single secure source for all your MCAD design and engineering related data and processes, making it easy to find, share, and reuse design information. With Teamcenter, information created in SolidWorks or other MCAD systems such as NX, Solid Edge, CATIA, Creo, Inventor, and AutoCAD can be captured, managed, and shared in a highly secure PLM environment with version management and access controls that ensure access to the right information at the right time. While in the native SolidWorks environment, the designer receives notification of an engineering change order requesting the addition of a steadying handle to a drill assembly. From within the native SolidWorks authoring environment, designers have easy access to a breadth of powerful PLM capabilities in Teamcenter. Adhering to the company's structured workflow, the designer can quickly access and review the product specification associated with the change order, as well as investigate what other parts of the product will be affected. Teamcenter helps designers navigate large amounts of product information and work with only the data relevant to the product, configuration, or variant needed. Having selected the data needed, the designer opens the assembly in SolidWorks. Using standard SolidWorks features, the designer adds bosses to both sides of the drill housing so the handle can be mounted on either side of the drill. From within the native SolidWorks environment, the designer can quickly search and find the handle assembly data stored in Teamcenter and move it into their current design session. Here again, using standard SolidWorks features, the designer can mate the handle to the drill housing. Upon completing the engineering change, the designer can easily save the new items to Teamcenter. Now that the changes have been incorporated and saved, the designer, while still working in the native SolidWorks environment, can execute a structured workflow that indicates he has completed his task. From within the native SolidWorks authoring environment, designers have easy access to a breadth of powerful PLM capabilities in Teamcenter, such as search and reuse, multi-CAD data management, structured workflows, change management processes, impact analysis, cross-probing, and more. Providing a single repository for all your product and process information, including SolidWorks data, Teamcenter enables you to lower costs and focus on innovation by making design teams more productive and increasing the reuse of your existing, proven design data. Teamcenter, the right tool for the job.